Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To create termination paychecks when an employee leaves, select Employees, Pay Employees, Termination Check from the menu bar to open the Enter Payroll Information window. Manually set the pay period ends and the check date. Then select the account from which the funds will be withdrawn from the bank account drop-down. Place a check mark next to the names of the employees who need a termination check. To the right of their names, under the Release Date column, enter the employee's release date. This information will be updated within their employee record when you create the paychecks. Then click the Continue button to continue creating the paychecks. In the next screen, select whether the check should be printed or assigned a check number in the Check Options section. Then click the hyperlink name of the employee shown within the list to open the Preview Paycheck window where you can review and edit the payroll information if needed. After entering or editing the paycheck details, click the Save and Close button. To create the paychecks, click the Create Paychecks button. If printing the paychecks within QuickBooks, then click either the Print Paychecks or Print Pay Stubs button as needed. Then click the Close button to finish.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.